Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 00 of hour, 10 of minute and 44 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where is Tornado Alley in the United States? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where is Tornado Alley in the United States. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about where is Tornado Alley in the United States. Generally, a tornado alley map starts in central Texas and goes north through Oklahoma, central Kansas and Nebraska and eastern South Dakota, sometimes doglegging east through Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana to western Ohio. Last update December 19, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.